Hi, I'm Liah Craft Christine, and I'm here to announce the introduction of the digital versions of 3 of the books in my Happiness series of books. The 30-Day Happiness series I created many years ago now, and I keep adding to it. At this point, there are 5 books, 2 audio programs, and 1 30-day video program. The first one in the series is 30 Days to Happiness, setting yourself up to win in life. And I literally mean that, because when you are happy, when you learn step by step how to get yourself lifted up, how to lift up again if you've totally lost it, how to run your mind if you never learned that earlier in life, you will find that everything starts to go easier in your life. You will meet people that will lift you up. You will have experiences and events happen to you that could never have happened before, when you might have been feeling lower, when you might have even been feeling depressed. Because the truth is, events and people are attracted to events and people who are like them. So if you are walking around unable to be happy, you are attracting to you events and people who are like that as well. Change it. Get a grip on your life right now and decide this is the day. This is the day you are going to start the 30-day program, whichever one it is. Whether it's 30 Days to Happiness, whether it's the Happiness Tune-Up Workbook, whether it's the Art of Life Journal, whether it's a Course in Becoming, or whether it's Design Your Delicious Life. Make a decision that step at a time, and one day at a time, you will change or do something different in your life to make the change happen. We are told that it takes 21 days to create a new habit. Well, I'm convinced that it requires at least 30 days to change an emotional habit. So I ask you to trust me that that's what it's taken in my life to make change happen. I have changed so radically in my life that what is my lowest low today is higher than what used to be my highest high. I have changed that radically, and in the process, I have attracted wonderful people to me, a wonderful experience in life, wonderful events in my life, and that continues to grow. But if I should allow myself to sink on any particular day, I can also observe the immediate ramifications of that, and they aren't good. So I'm recommending to you that you take hold of the one thing that is your given birthright to take hold of, and that is your decision-making process to run your own brain the way it should be run. Emotional intelligence skills. Emotional skills, communication with yourself skills. That's the basis of life. Yale University said the most important skill we can learn are emotional intelligence skills. I welcome you to join me through my books and online at liahkk.com, where I coach in person. I also coach a monthly program for readers of my books or listeners of my audio tapes. I welcome you also to take a look at my video series, 30 days long. Every day has a video. It's called the Happiness Tune-Up Home Study Course. I look forward to seeing you in one of my programs. I'm Liah Craft Christine.